In the Los Angeles wildfires, the death toll is now up to 24 people as the Los Angeles area braces for more fierce winds.
Officials say 92,000 people in LA County are under evacuation orders. Laura Hafley's there covering the latest on the firefight.
Jim and Marie, the Pentagon says 1,800 California National Guardsmen have been activated to assist with this firefight as fires continue to burn in Los Angeles and those curfews remain in place for evacuation zones. Firefighters from Napa joined the battle in Southern California, helping hose down a house engulfed in flames from the Palisades fire Sunday. An estimated 75% of the Pacific Palisades is wiped out. Only scorched earth remains, and with red flag warnings up through Wednesday, officials say high winds combined with low levels of humidity will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County critical.
We are not in the clear as of yet, and we must not let our guard down.
And city officials say they've strategically positioned engine strike teams and task forces to respond rapidly to any new fire that breaks out. As crews continue to tackle hotspots, authorities say more than 24 people are missing, the majority in the Eaton fire area. The sheriff's department is asking residents for their patience as they search for victims.
People are saying, I just want to go look at my house and I want to see what's left. We know that, but we have people literally looking for the remains of your neighbors.
In hard-hit Altadena, one resident came back to find his home of 40 years survived.
And after 40 years, you got a lot of stuff you forget about that would disappear if the house burned down, so we were thankful that it didn't.
At the Pasadena Convention Center, which is serving as a shelter, FEMA workers helped survivors register for assistance.
I'm sure it hasn't been an easy time, but I'm glad you're here, right?
And even though evacuations are still keeping some schools closed, Los Angeles Unified School District reopened most schools Monday. The LA County District Attorney's Office says dozens of people have been arrested for looting since these fires began this week. Officials are also keeping an eye out for price gouging and scams. In Los Angeles, Laura Hafley, CBS News Chicago. Jim and Marie.
Thank you so much. You can help those affected by the wildfires. The Red Cross is accepting donations to provide shelter, meals, and relief items. And CBS is partnering to help. Scan the QR code on your screen right now or go to redcross.org/CBS.